Meaning of logistical.
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 Logistical. The term logistical refers to the process of planning, organizing, and executing the movement and storage of resources, materials, and people. It is commonly used in reference to the management of transportation, supply chains, and operations that involve the movement of goods and people. In a business or military context, logistical considerations may include coordinating complex operations across different locations, managing inventory, and ensuring that resources are deployed efficiently to meet specific goals or objectives.